everyone, this is a very quick tutorial on how to split your screen when you don't have two monitors. So what you want to do is get both of your tabs open, or the two things that you want to split open. Make sure you have them both open, and you will just want to grab the tab of one. See how I just clicked it and I'm holding onto it and I'm moving my mouse around, and I'm just going to drag it over to the side and let go. And it's like that, and then it pops up like this, and I want this one to be on the other side, so I'm going to click that, and there you go. Now you have two screens side by side. You can scroll on this one, you can type on this one, you can scroll on this one, and it's very simple like that. So, and then if you want them back full screen, you just double click on the top, and there you go.